The 1980s, an era of big hair, bigger dreams, and the biggest blockbusters in cinema history. In 1985, we all wanted a DeLorean time machine. Why? Because Marty McFly showed us that you could rewrite history, change your fate, and have a blast doing it. 1986 brought us Top Gun, the film that made us want to feel the need for speed, to be the best of the best. Maverick wasn't just a pilot, he was every kid's dream of flying high and living fast deep. And then came The Terminator in 1984, a movie that didn't just redefine science fiction, it gave us a villain so unstoppable, so relentless, that he became a symbol of raw, unyielding power. I'll Be Back wasn't just a promise, it was a warning. These weren't just movies, they were experiences that defined a generation. They shaped our dreams, our fears, and our ideas of what it meant to be a hero. The 80s are back. Dive into the magic, one movie at a time.